At the heart of human experience lies a profound question. Can meaning be discovered even in the depths of unimaginable suffering? This inquiry challenges us to look beyond comfort and certainty into moments when hope seems distant. Viktor Frankl, a renowned psychiatrist and Holocaust survivor, grappled with this very dilemma during his time in concentration camps. His reflections invite us to consider whether purpose and resilience can emerge from circumstances marked by pain and loss. As we begin this exploration, we are confronted with the stark reality of suffering, yet also the possibility that meaning might be forged in its midst. Viktor Frankl endured unimaginable hardships as a prisoner in Nazi concentration camps during the Holocaust. Stripped of his freedom, possessions, and even his family, Frankl witnessed the depths of human suffering. Yet amidst these horrors, he observed that individuals could still choose their attitude toward their circumstances. This profound realization became the foundation of his influential book, Man's Search for Meaning. Frankl argued that even in the most dire situations, people retain the ability to find meaning and purpose. His insights have inspired countless readers, highlighting the enduring power of inner freedom and the human capacity to choose hope over despair. Frankl's central message reminds us that although we may not have power over the situations we face, we always possess the ability to choose how we respond. This freedom of choice, even in the most challenging circumstances, is a profound source of personal strength. By embracing this perspective, we discover that meaning is not dictated by external events, but is created through our own attitudes and decisions. In this way, meaning itself becomes a form of freedom, allowing us to shape our lives regardless of what happens to us. Frankl's insight continues to inspire, offering hope and resilience in the face of adversity.